Hi, Lisa here for another review. Today I'm reviewing the Thule Clean Dirty Packing Cube. So whenever we travel, I'm always looking, when we get to the hotels, I'm always looking for those laundry bags so that I can keep track of all the dirty clothes because I don't like to mix my dirty clothes with my clean clothes. So as we use the clothes, I like to keep them separate. And we end up using one of the luggages, all of them for dirty, and then one for clean. But then everyone's clean clothes are in the same bag instead of everyone being able to keep track of their clean or dirty clothes. So I thought this would be a good addition to our packing so that everyone can have one little cube in their luggage. So that on the way back, they could contain their dirty clothes within this cube. But on one side, you can pack your clean clothes. And then you have the other side that's separated by a layer of plastic. So in case any of your dirty clothes are wet, it won't get any of your clean clothes wet. This is the side that's supposed to be the one for the dirty clothes. The dirty clothes. But as you can see, it has a plastic barrier. So let's say you went to the beach and you have wet swimsuits, then you can put them on this side and they won't be making the other side all stinky and wet. If I buy 4 of these cubes and include them in each of our suitcases, then we'll each have our little packet where we can keep our dirty clothes. So when we pack on the way back, this will be our dirty clothes. And when we get home, everyone can bring me their little cube and I can wash the dirty clothes, and then all the rest of the clothes that were in the luggage are clean. They can just be put away again. So that makes coming back from a trip a lot less stressful than usual. So I believe I highly recommend this product. It comes in different colors. I like this color. And I highly recommend this product if you travel a lot and you want to keep your dirty clothes separate from your clean clothes.